China remains the most crucial country for global value chains. Many countries rely on Chinese supply to make products that they then export. India itself relies substantially on China, as China alone contributes to more than a quarter of the value added in Indian exports. But as a result of the disruption caused by COVID-19 in global supply networks, many countries are considering relocating sections of their production platforms away from China. However, while diversification is beneficial, it is neither simple nor affordable. So, is India ready to replace China as the next manufacturing capital of the world? The Quad countries that include India, the United States, Japan, and Australia are increasingly trying to detach economy from China. To take advantage of this opportunity, India is working to increase the ease of doing business in the country and implement land, labour, and tax reforms. India has recently made initiatives to lower trade barriers, improve infrastructure, and increase access to finance, all of which can help with greater value chain integration. Some of the new initiatives, such as industrial corridors, delicensing, and the Make in India initiative, are examples of current initiatives that are moving the country in the right direction. With the help of the Make in India initiative, India is on its way to becoming a high-tech manufacturing hub, as a global giant such as GE, Siemens, HTC, Toshiba, and Boeing have either established or are planning to establish manufacturing plants in the country, attracted by India's market of over 1 billion consumers and rising purchasing power. On February 16, 2021, Amazon announced that it would begin producing electronic devices in India. Other than Amazon, Samsung has also begun producing mobile display panels at its Noida plant in April 2021, with plans to ramp up production of IT display panels soon after. The Indian government has also taken a number of steps to aid a healthy environment for the country's local industries to thrive. In March 2021, the government offered incentives worth US $1 billion in cash to each semiconductor business that develops production units in the country, as a part of its plan to increase the smartphone assembly business and improve the electronic supply chain. Other than industries, government is also focusing on establishing industrial corridors and smart cities in order to secure the country's overall growth. These corridors will help in integrating, monitoring, and building favorable environment for industrial development, as well as promoting advanced manufacturing methods. By 2025, India's manufacturing sector has the potential to generate more than $1 trillion in revenue, with a GDP of US $2.5 trillion and a population of 1.32 billion people. The adoption of the Goods and Services Tax (GST) will turn India into an international market, attracting investors from all around the world. If the South Asian country improves its business climate, connects domestic enterprises to global value chains, and enhances workers' and managers' competencies, it has all the ingredients to beat China and become the next manufacturing hub of the world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and leave a comment. We'd love reading your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe.